Reynolds here, co-founder Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. Take a look at that daily chart for Virgin Galactic. So that run up last week, and then coming back, we started to get some separation in the rotation zone, coming back, spiking below that 50% retracement level, stopping right on it, spiking below it, then closing up on the 37.5 and rotating back up nicely. 2183 was our next level, and you see spiking through that, but then closing back down at the breakout price. So what are we? I'm going to update these levels now. That was a nice breakout. Key support, first area coming in about 2036 to 2021. If we drop below that, I'm going to just take out the daily, then the 4 hour. If we drop below that, we have this little resistance shelf coming in with the top of the rotation zone about 1950. Then your major support down around 1840 based off the 4 hour, based off the daily. Yeah. Might be some minor at 1874. I'm going to go with those 4 hour levels. Really just watch that 4 hour, especially with that price. If you want to get more aggressive tomorrow, you can watch that 1 hour. We have this little support shelf right here. Coming in about 2050. So if it does dip in the rotation zone, major levels between about 2021 and 2050. You can watch that on the 1 hour for that rotation back up. You can even put in a trend line coming down here and watch for a rotation break of that trend line. If it starts pulling back bigger, I would go to that 4 hour chart. Let's just take a look at these upside levels now. All right. So above 2220, we have a major cluster right around 2320. And then 2419 are your next key levels up. Getting some nice separation on that daily. So major support coming in about 1750 on the daily, which would be this prior resistance area. Retested with this spike low and closing back up above the rotation zone. So it looks like we're starting to get some bullish price action in Virgin Galactic. And we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.